So the question is asking, convert this expression from postfix to infix. And I think an important thing to note when doing this compared to doing infix to postfix is that in this case, our operands are going to go into our stack, not our operators. And so every time we have every time we encounter an operator, we're going to push out 2 elements from our stack. And so I'm going to start with building our stack. And so we're going to push in A and B, our operands, and then we're going to encounter an operator. So we're going to push out 2 of these, and we're going to end it with A plus B. And then this altogether is going to be pushed into a new stack, right? And so you can see the same thing happens to C and E. We're going to push in C, we're going to push in E, and then we're going to experience an operator, and then we're going to push out 2. So then it's going to end up to be C plus E. And so we're not done here because we encounter another operator, right? And so we're going to push out 2 more elements. So we're going to push out A plus B and then C plus E. And so you can see that the result is this.